Are you a homeowner looking to invest in a new smart thermostat? If so, the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium is a great place to start. This video will cover the features, benefits, and price of installing an Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium in your home. Hi, I'm Brad with Fire and Ice. In an HVAC system, the thermostat is like the brains of the operation. When the temperature goes above or below the thermostat set point, the thermostat tells your HVAC system to kick on. Smart thermostats make this process more efficient, so let's dive in and talk about the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. And if you find today's content helpful, subscribe to our channel for weekly educational content. The Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium features a built-in monitor that helps homeowners know when their indoor air quality is poor and offers homeowners tips and tricks to improve it. It includes SmartSensor Eco Plus technology, smart home integration with Siri or Alexa, smart speakers for Spotify and Bluetooth streaming, and hands-free calling and intercom. As I mentioned before, the Ecobee Smart Thermostat also features Eco Plus that automatically enhances your comfort level and provides additional energy savings. Eco Plus adjusts the temperature relative to the humidity, has a schedule assistant to help make your daily heating and cooling schedule more efficient, smart home, and a way to determine if anyone is home to provide optimal comfort settings, and community energy savings to adjust your thermostat based on when there is a high demand in your community. Before we move on, if you're enjoying this video so far, please like this video and leave a comment. We'd love to hear what you have to say and answer any questions you might have. And did you know we even have more resources on our website? Click the link here to visit our Learning Center for more in-depth information. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Another Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium feature is the Ecobee SmartSensor. This remote sensor gauges your overall comfort and peace of mind. It features several smart features such as temperature and occupancy detection to adjust your thermostat settings. Follow Me mode for comfort that stays with you and saves energy while you're away, freeze detection that will automatically engage the furnace if the thermostat's internal temperature sensor drops below 41 degrees, and much more. With the installation of a new HVAC system and the purchase of an Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium, your cost will typically be between $800 and $1,000. Since our products at Fire and Ice are certified Ecobee through Carrier, you can use your Carrier warranty as an extra layer of protection, which is a win for you and your new HVAC equipment. Ecobee Smart Thermostats are perfect for homeowners that want to take their home monitoring system to the next level, especially if they want total control over their residential thermostat settings and are conscious of their energy efficiency and carbon footprint. The Ecobee thermostat would not be a good fit for a homeowner that just wants to set it and forget it. If you're a homeowner who doesn't monitor your home's temperatures or air quality, this is not a product for you. Let's talk about what to do next. If you want more information on the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium or other smart thermostats, click the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to making your day better.